Dear friends, my name is Paco. Today I would like to share with you an experience.
Yep.
Have you ever heard of the genie in a bottle? I met the genie last night in the desert. Let me tell you about.
Okay.
The genie gave me 3 wishes. The first wish, I had a big house.
Yep.
The second wish, I have a computer. My third wish, to have 50 more wishes, so I can have more things.
Yep. After
the genie said, "Your wish was command," I woke up. It was a lovely dream. I thought my wish would be true one day.
Will come true one day.
This end of my speech.
Thank you.
Thank you.